If you're just starting calligraphy, don't make mistakes. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And these are the 5 things I wish I knew when I started. First thing is, cheap tools can work just fine. Ugly practice equals progress. Small daily practice over long sessions. You want to learn your strokes before learning fancy letters. And tip number 5, don't compare yourself to pros. If you're starting your creative journey, remember 5 lessons. If you're starting your creative journey, remember these 5 lessons and subscribe for more creative growth tips. Peace and love.